It's Calvin Coolidge and Sawyer on the beat. What up, Sawyer? What up, KT? Say, girl, you got to go, 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 cause I don't even like you anymore, and I just want my dough, so you got to go, 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 cause I don't even like you anymore, and I just want my dough, so you got to go. Say, girl, you gotta go right now, cause I'm all about the dough, so find the door right now. Got to go, 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 cause I don't even like you anymore, and I just want my dough, so you got to go. Out the door and I'm moving the line, I told them all to buddy up, they're coming two at a time. I'm about to smash all your vinyls, bitch, we're breaking records, you got margarine bars, I can't believe they're not better. No one else will hold it down, against it I will. This beat will put you to sleep better than NyQuil. And baby, I'm still the best yet, never stolen. My boy's moving way more weight than Ronnie Coleman. She said she like him cause she know that he flows and I'm the main name. She's saying go daddy go, she got a problem, she sniffs coke till it hurts. If her friends are taking lines, she can take a whole verse. Girl, without you I'm a zero, but then again, baby, you're the one, so together we're a 10. Huh, fuck that, you know I like to pretend, but what you don't know is when I go and fuck with your friends. Like all these new girls are on my dick and it's cause they hear me flow. I look at them like, bitch, you didn't talk to me a year ago. People say I'm changing faces, but nah, I just go through phases. I'm just serving all these rappers funny cause I'm never waiting. I'm on her like some body spray, you better go and tag somebody. Said I'm on her like some body spray, you better go and ask somebody. This shit that we're smoking's no joke, and I know you don't wanna try me. I got red eyes so bad I need to swim in the pool. Say, girl, you got to go, 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 cause I don't even like you anymore, and I just want my dough, so you got to go, 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 cause I don't even like you anymore, and I just want my dough, so you got to go. Say, girl, you gotta go right now, cause I'm all about the dough, so find the door right now. Got to go, 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 cause I don't even like you anymore, and I just want my dough, so you got to go. Gotta go onto the road and right out the door, that's the plan, cause once she's gone I'll probably feel like Morgan, a free man, and I don't want no voiceover. So why you bringing that noise closer? Obey orders and keep yourself in line just like a toy soldier. You never met a kid with bars like this. We're like a slam dunk cause we're hard to miss. Titanium raps is all this is, cause we're not too much as hard as this. And all you haters can go and kill yourself like Ari Kari. Call that a force quit. What up, Safari? The shit that we're smoking don't get you much higher, so I'm not talking about beer when I tell you to buy your Budweiser. They're eminent that I'm an immigrant, cause I've been heaven since ever since I was a kid, and I never meant to sever them, the devil was sending them, so I ended them with everything I spit. You got